Hey there, Snapchatters! Welcome back to our channel. If you're like many of us who've experienced the frustration of losing Snapchat streaks, you probably wondered if there's a way to restore them without reaching for your wallet. Well, here's your luck. In this 2023 guide, we'll show you exactly how to just do that. So let's jump right into it. So for this method, we're going to be restoring streaks through Snapchat support. So step 1 is to start by opening your Snapchat app. This method involves reaching out to your Snapchat support team. So if ever you're not in your phone, you can just follow me to their website on help.snapchat.com. Then now we can proceed to step 3, which is now in the settings. Scroll down until you find I need help and then tap on it. Then select I lost my snap streak and hit X to close the prompt. So for me, I lost my snap streak like so. Then what do you need help with? I'm just gonna choose how do I restore my snap streak, or I'm having trouble restoring snap streak in the app. So here you will show up in the prompt saying that you still need help. Click on yes. Then we have submit a request like so. Then once you're over here, we can proceed to the next step, which is the reason for Snapchat support. I didn't have the option to restore my snap streak or a different issue. Let's choose a different issue, and now you can choose to fill out your information here. So once you can just put in your username, the email associated with your Snapchat account, your mobile number, which could be optional, the date of attempted snap streak restoration if you still remember, then your friend's username, limit 1 per submission, and then the snap streak length, and then the description. You can explain here how and why you wanted to restore your snap streak without paying. And that's it, folks. Well, there are no guarantees when Snapchat users are reported success in restoring their lost streaks using this method. Remember, patience is key, as it may take some time for Snapchat support to get back to you. If you found this video helpful, or if you managed to recover your streaks, please give us a thumbs up or consider subscribing for more tech tips and Snapchat tricks. If you have any questions, or if you've got a different method that worked for you, feel free to share it with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!